I stand in faith with you, believing God to perform a miracle in your life.
If you desire immediate wealth, perform this powerful prayer to swiftly attain it. Do this if you find yourself lacking funds, and witness how prosperity begins to flow when done with unwavering faith. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share in the comments the amount of wealth you confidently anticipate attracting. Let us commence this profoundly potent day together. Immediate money prayer. I stand here with absolute faith and hope in my heart, speaking directly to the Almighty. May He guide me on the path of prosperity, wealth, and abundance, for He alone can illuminate my mind towards achieving every goal. From this very moment, I affirm my inherent power, brilliance, and prosperity to accomplish all that I set out to do. I believe that all facets of my life will find equilibrium. I wholeheartedly affirm that prosperity, abundance, and wealth will grace my life. These declarations are sincere, for I invoke your name. I am a capable individual, fully capable of achieving all I set my mind to. I am attuned to receive, and I can now effortlessly draw on all the wealth I desire. I accept myself and recognize the goodness I deserve. I embrace the forthcoming prosperity and affluence, knowing I am deserving of it. At this very moment, I shed old habits and embrace new, positive ones. I possess everything I need to radiate. I possess all the requisites for amassing fortune. I have all that's necessary to be a prosperous individual. I discern opportunities within every obstacle I face. I solemnly renounce surrendering, for I shall persistently explore all conceivable avenues for self-improvement. My thoughts will be resolutely positive, shaping my reality. What I utter now will manifest into reality, and I am poised for it. I am prepared for the influx of wealth, prosperity, and success into my life. I extend boundless gratitude to the Almighty, to life, and to the universe for beckoning wealth, abundance, tranquility, and success into my life. I manifest abundance and express gratitude for the prosperity abounding in the universe, soon to be mine. I anticipate this, for I will possess health, vitality, and unbridled creativity flowing effortlessly within me, a beacon of brilliance. I effortlessly draw novel ideas into my cognizance, as I am a spiritual being, an effervescent expression of joy and abundance. I acknowledge my divine birthright and wholeheartedly embrace it in this moment. Grateful for this wondrous inheritance, I accept it with open arms. I attract all the prosperity the universe holds for me. I harbor the certitude that the Almighty is dispatching wondrous blessings at this very moment. With this potent prayer, I unfailingly make the finest choices daily. Every cell in my body resonates with robust, prosperous energy. Everything in my life arrives precisely when it should, culminating in my supreme benefit. I am deserving of all the blessings gracing my magnificent life. My body operates divinely, its systems harmoniously synchronized with my wonderful energy. I release any negativity, welcoming only constructive thoughts, centered on positive visualizations. I am resolute in my desires, deeply rooted in my heart and soul. I know that the Almighty guides me on this extraordinary path. My vision expands daily, in tandem with my income. I am an unending source of abundance, each day welcoming more of it into every facet of my being. I sense abundance wherever I tread. Prosperity and blessings envelop me, ceaselessly seeking me out. Likewise, I pursue them, and money flows freely and abundantly into my life. I am increasingly magnetic, attracting the prosperity and abundance that are integral to my existence, never distant. I possess the ability to generate wealth and abundance through my thoughts, my magnetic force, and the grace of the Almighty. I am prosperous, a ceaseless stream of affluence coursing through me. Financial success is mine, and I embrace it here and now, for all eternity. Amen.
Type Amen if you feel abundant. Remember to like this video, and give thanks. Watch this important message right now.